Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase in New Orleans East. So this is the duplex. It's been vacant since Katrina, so it's in pretty rough shape. The owners reached out to us. They obviously aren't making money from it. It's been vacant for a long time, and they're obviously paying taxes and the like, and getting followed up for them, as well as getting a lot of code violations because the property is in a bit of disrepair. So obviously this is a bit of a problem property for the owners, and they're looking to get off and get rid of it. So look, we buy houses like this, we're cash investors, so like even though the property isn't in great shape, I'll show you around a little bit, it's going to be really hard for a bank to approve a loan on this property. Just the collateral obviously isn't in great condition, so this isn't really something that they're going to approve for a loan, so it can make it quite hard to sell the property traditionally. Also not a lot of obviously homeowners are really going to want to move into a property like this, but like for us, we're investors, so we don't mind buying properties like this and doing them up. It's a big property, which is good, but also does make it more expensive to rehab. There's like quite a lot of square footage to fix, and as you can see, pretty much everything's going to need to be redone. It's gutted out. Some of the stuff is in bad condition too. Yeah, hasn't been lived in for a while. So look, this does need a lot of work, but that's okay. We buy properties like this. We don't mind putting in work, whether that be time, money, expertise, and to turn these properties into something where the owner can make some money from it. Also just the neighborhood, just to be able to bring this back to life, not be an eyesore that it is. It's open. It's also a liability for the owner because the door's actually open, so local kids could come in here, they could easily hurt themselves, and then the owner could get sued, so it could end up costing them a lot more than it already is. So look, if you have a house you're looking to sell, reach out to us at Home Buyer Louisiana. We're happy to chat to you and see if we're a good fit. We don't mind if it looks like this and needs a lot of work. We also buy houses in better condition too, so it doesn't have to look like this. But look, if your house is perfect and ready for a homeowner and you're not in a hurry, then you probably are going to want to use a realtor. But if your house needs some sort of repairs, or you just need to sell really fast, then we're generally a good option. But if you give us a call, have a chat to us, we'll always be honest and tell you, we might tell you that, hey, you best list with a realtor or try something else. We don't need to sell, so we don't need to buy every house that, every house that someone calls us about. We want to make sure it's a good fit for us and for you. So look, feel free to give us a call. Also have a look around the website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of frequently asked questions, information, case studies. So have a scroll around and just educate yourself on the options you have to get rid of a property like this. So thanks guys, I appreciate it. Speak soon.